Hello everyone and welcome to a new vlog from US. And as you can make out probably from my background, I am in a shopping store. So I'm actually at the Wrentham Premium Outlets, which is like 1 hour away from Boston. So when I was planning this trip to US, a lot of people who have already been here told me that I should definitely visit one of these outlet malls. So the reason is that apparently here you get like really good quality products like clothes, accessories, shoes, perfume, basically anything that you want, and they're all like good quality, good varieties, and you get it at a really reasonable rate because most of these brands, they have their outlet shops over here. So like behind me you can see there's Tommy Hilfiger, then there's Clarks outlet, there's J. Crew. So similarly, like there are so many shops. I think definitely like more than maybe around 100 shops. I don't know, the number could be a little less or more than 100, but it's a really big outlet mall, and the prices here, when you enter a shop, you'll see that the prices are always discounted. They'll have like 40% discount or 50% discount, and in some stores they have this clearance sale, so it's like $10, $15, so which is really nice. The only issue with these outlet malls are that they are mostly a little away from the main city. So like this one is an hour drive from Boston, like 60 kilometers from Boston. And there were 3 of us, so we thought we'll split the cab ride. So we booked an Uber, and it costed us I think around $55, which is quite expensive to get here. The other option was to take a train and get down, I don't remember the name of the station, but get down somewhere close to this outlet mall and then take an Uber from there to this place. But because we were anyways 3 people, so we thought we'll just split the cab ride and it will be much faster to reach here that way. Yeah, we have been here for like 1 hour, and I went to a few shops, and I don't know, in my mind I always do that conversion, right, like USD to INR conversion, and even after the discounted rates, it still seems a little expensive to me. But finally I found this really nice store which is called White House Black Market, I think, and I got like a couple of nice tops from there. Really good quality, like you can make out the difference in the fabric that they have used. Really good quality, very good designs, and they had like 40% off, so I got them at a really like good price. At least I got something. And now yeah, there are so many shops still left to explore. After spending like 1.5 hours shopping around, I now understand why people kept telling me that when you're going to US, make sure that you are visiting some premium outlet malls, because actually the quality and the variety of designs that you get in all the shops over here is really amazing. And I have been to so many shops, and I just felt like buying so many different items, but of course I couldn't splurge. I'm not splurging like so much. And like you can see behind me, there's Gucci, and there's actually a queue to enter Gucci. I can see like people are standing outside, and they might be like allowing entry for just limited number of people at a time. But yeah, there are so many stores. Like I think you really need to spend like 1 full day over here. So I got like 2 boots from Clarks, and they were already discounted, and then they had like buy one and on the second one you get like a flat 50% off, so that was really nice. And then I also got a couple of dresses from Nautica. So they had like really good designs, even though we have Nautica in India, but the kind of designs that they have here, they are very nice, and I haven't seen it in Indian stores. And even if it's there, like you have to pay a premium for it. It's easily like 8,000-9,000 rupees for something that you like in a high-end brand. But here, obviously, because it's an outlet store, it's all like discounted, and on top of that, they have additional discounts, so it comes up to be quite reasonable. Because it's weekend, I think there's just so many people around, but it doesn't feel crowded because it's such a huge area. And the best part is like that it's not in a mall, like it's not closed, it's all like in open, and then you have these like stores. So it's a really nice experience walking around. And then they have like these small food trucks, ice cream trucks, so you can stop, eat something, rest on these benches that they have, and then just walk around shopping and spending all your money.
Red yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself.
It's a very nice place to just walk around, and samne you can see they have made this kids play arena, so then kids can play around while their parents are shopping. यहाँ पे Lindt chocolate का store है, and at some places they have kept these what do they call it? Simon Search. So you can easily search if you're search for any particular shop, or you can see the map of the entire Wrentham Village outlet and see what all stores are there. And we are almost done anyways. I think another 1 hour and then we leave for Boston. We want to be there like before the sunset happens. So chalo, let's go and see what all is left to explore.
Your head in my arms, you sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrow.
So behind me you can see Versace, and then there is Jimmy Choo, and this entire lane has a lot of luxurious brands. And this is comparatively emptier compared to the other stores, because obviously these are very expensive even after the discount that the stores might give.
Feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Just look at this huge parking area. Like, I can't see the beginning or the end of it. They have such a huge parking area, and of course chahiye bhi hoga because so many people have come out today to shop here. Amazing. And just when I thought ki I'm done exploring this entire area, I realized ki ek lane to rah hi gaya. I finally found a nice place to have lunch. It's the Ruby Tuesday, and it's right next to the children play area. And I've just ordered it as a takeaway, just having the Coke here. I'll go back to the hotel, change, and then have it while relaxing after this tiring shopping trip. So I'm finally back to my room. It's almost 9 p.m. Really tired, but I thought I'll just give you a tour of the room before I go to sleep. Tomorrow morning, another colleague of mine is going to pick me up, and she's going to take me to a different state, and we are going to go and see the fall colors of New England area. So hoping that it'll be nice and beautiful. I just love countryside and fall colors. So now quickly let me give you a tour of the room. So like I told you, I'm staying at Long Wharf Marriott. This is the entrance, and then they have given this storage area, this bottle, which can be purchased for $29.95 plus tax. So basically these are refillable bottles, and they have these ice stations in the hotel, different places in the hotel from where you can fill the bottles, so you don't need to like carry plastic bottles. and then I'll just show you the room. The room, of course, it's messed up because I just got up in the morning, quickly got ready and left. But yeah, there's a TV and they have YouTube and they have Netflix and everything, and then they have this small study table with lamp and then this sofa chair and then this bed. So very spacious room actually. And the best part is the view, but it's already night time, so you won't see anything, but I'll just show you. This is the port area, and then this side is the city with the city lights and the traffic. I can see there's a lot of traffic. Tomorrow morning I'll just show you the view from my room, so that will like complete the entire room room tour. So good morning, it's a new day in Boston and it's a bright sunny day today, and I am heading out to New Hampshire for some fall activities. Hopefully that will be nice.
La 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 la.